Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean and African family. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Now for today's video, it will be all about this neutral but glamorous makeup tutorial. So I'm steadily trying to get into more makeup videos since you guys wanted to see more of those. So for today's look, I'm giving you guys a emerald green type of glittery eyeliner, I guess. Yeah, and then just my basic full face routine for the summer. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go into details, show you guys the different products that I use. I'm not a makeup artist, just throw that out there. If you are a makeup artist and you see me do something real strange, just know I'm just a girl trying to play around and, you know, trying to do the ish that works for me. So yeah, without further rambling, let's get straight into the video.
Okay guys, now I am starting off with fresh face, and I've already moisturized and all that good stuff, so I'll be starting off with my brows. Now let me apologize in advance. Later on in the video you're gonna see a lot of shaking because I didn't realize my camera was unsteady. So I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow to draw on my eyebrows because I ain't got no eyebrows like that. My eyebrows are uneven, one is higher than the other naturally, and I'm just trying to create that perfect somewhat arch that matches my face. So I use that, and I use it mostly for the tail of my brow, and then I work my way inwards to shade it in. Then after I use that, like properly line my brows, I am going to go in with the NYX Eyebrow Pencil just to give it a ombre effect. Now as of right now I can't remember what shade brow pencil this is, but I will put it in the description box down below for you guys. Now I'm going to go in with the Benefit is this a brow shader? I can't remember what the name of this thing is because as you guys can see it's all scratched off, but I'm gonna leave it in the description for you. So I use that, it's like a fiber brow thing to give you like fuller brows. And then I'm going to go in with their brow setter. Now this is a gel that will keep your brows in place all day. So as soon as it goes on, it dries quickly. So you want to make sure that you line your brows, or rather put it on, and then don't move your brows because it's going to be stuck in the way that you put it. Now this is the most annoying part because I'm so focused on the mirror in front of me, I didn't realize that my table was shaking against my tripod that my camera was on, so it's causing this annoying earthquake type effect. So I used a Too Faced concealer under my brow and the shade was Maple. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl. This is in the shade Toast, so it closely matches my skin tone, so I use that to clean up above my brow bone, or above my brows rather, and I just take my time to make sure that it's all cleaned up. Now I'm going to use the Milk Pro Hydrating Primer, and I forgot to use this the last time in my makeup video, so I remembered this time. Now this will hold my makeup on all day. It's so sticky and it goes on, makes your foundation goes on so smooth. However, for the summertime I've opted to take foundation out of my makeup routine because I didn't really need it. So what I'm gonna do is use the LA Girl concealer that I use above my brows on like places on my face that I feel needs correction or has blemishes or whatever, or maybe have an acne mark. So I put that on there just a tad bit. I don't even need to use a lot because I'm trying to keep it somewhat light but still have a full face. So as you guys can see, like that cleans up a lot. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal, and I'm using the shade Maple again to put on my highlighted areas. So that's under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Now for my forehead makeup, because I'm wearing the head tie to hold on my edges, like it's really difficult because it's so tight right there. It makes my forehead scrunch up. So I'm gonna deal with that later. So for now, just pretend it's not even there. But yeah, I'm just gonna use a damp beauty blender and just blend out that concealer. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced in the shade Cocoa, and I'm going to use this to contour. I like a stick foundation to contour, but Anastasia Beverly Hills discontinued the one that I like, and I was trying to get one from ColourPop in the shade 210, but they're out of stock. So if you have any recommendation about stick foundations to use to contour, let me know down in the comment section below. So I'm just gonna blend that out so that I can get some smoothness or proper contour. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced concealer once more, but this time I'm going in with Butterscotch to just give me a little bit more highlight underneath my eyes, right in the corner and directly under it. And then I used some a little bit over my eyelid just to make sure that I don't have any creases before I add the setting powder. So I'm just gonna add the setting powder. A lot of people don't like to bake. I'm not really always for baking or whatever, but it depends on what mood I'm in, where I would do like my eyes first and then my foundation, or my foundation and full face before my eyes. This time I did a full face before my eyes, so I'm just gonna leave the powder on there to just set in. So I'm gonna use the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner, and this is a neon green color, so we're going for a green look today. Now you could definitely use a black eyeliner if you want to, because we're gonna use glitter over this. But I'm like, okay, let me try to see if using the neon green eyeliner will look any different than if I use black liner. And actually there was not much different, because the glitter that I will be using later is going to completely cover the eyeliner. Now it also doesn't have to be perfect. You want to get it to look as neat as possible, but it doesn't have to look perfect because you're gonna put glitter over it. But you want to make sure that it has a nice winged shape. Then I'm going to use the glitter primer from NYX, and a lot of people like to use eyelash glue, a clear one. I use this glitter primer. Then I'm going to use this glitter that I got from Amazon, and it came in a pack of maybe like 15. I'm not sure how many colors there were, but I'm going to leave the link for that for you. So everything that you'll need will basically be in the description box. So I put the primer, the glitter primer, on the liner, and I do it in sections because this glue dries super fast. And I do sections, and I use this little brush, dip it in the glitter, and then apply it directly to the liner. And then I just keep doing that till I feel like it's full. I covered all areas of the neon green, or you could give it an ombre effect with the neon green if you wish to. I was gonna do that first, but I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna do full green. Now with both liners completed, I'm just gonna apply some lashes. And this lash I got from my beauty supply store. I had it in my makeup collection for maybe a couple of months, so I threw out the box. I literally found it. I have so many new eyelashes, but I found this one. I was so in love with it, so I did a little washy wash, try to wash it to get it to look a little bit fresher. And this is how it's looking. I'm gonna see if I can find the name of it for you guys, or a substitute. So I use the Morphe Continuous Mist, and taking off the molding wrap for my edges, you see the difference of where it is, but not to worry. I'm just gonna use the foundation brush that I used and just blend that out. So it will be completely fine. Just take your time and blend in between the spots. And because I didn't use foundation, so it's not much of a contrast between where it was tied down and where the makeup began. So yeah, just simply blend that out. Then I'm going to use this finishing powder from NYX in the shade Mahogany to give a bronzed effect, like a burnt bronze. And also it is to add back color into my skin, give me some warmth. Then I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is just to give, not per se a matte effect, but to give my full face a blurred effect. So whatever wasn't blended out super great or wasn't blended out the best or whatever, this will give me a completed finished look. Then I'm going to use this NYX Suede Lip Liner, and it is in the shade Downtown, to line my lips before using lip gloss. Now right now the camera is doing the absolute most. I'm so mad at this, but I thought this was a great makeup tutorial, so I'm like, you know what, I need to put this out there for our Tuesday video. Then I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty clear gloss. This gloss is so hydrating on the lips. I love it so much. Then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Oh Darling highlighter, and then I'm just gonna use that on my highlighted points. Then for our finished look, or last ad, I'm going to use the Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty in my tear ducts and a little bit on my lower lids, just to give like a goldish shadow effect on the bottom lash. Not a lot though, just a little bit, come in and give that cat eye effect. And then I'm going to use some more of that on my brow bone, just to give that highlighted golden glow. Then I'm going to use my mascara for my bottom lashes, just to give me some fullness, and I'm using Bad Gal from Benefit. And this is the completed and final look.
Okay guys, now this is my final look. Let me know what you think about this green glittery eyeliner and the overall look. So comment down below, spam the comment section. If you made it thus far in the video, make sure you are subscribed. Let me know if you want to see me do more makeup looks. I'm trying to get into it a little bit more, so let me know if that's something you'd actually be interested in seeing. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at DamnThat'sChev. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.